The bench carver who helped people see themselves. In a quiet corner of Riverside Park, an old man named Elias Turner sat on the same wooden bench every afternoon. He carried a small bag of carving tools and a block of maple wood. People walked past him, some curious, some indifferent, but those who sat beside him always left with softened faces, as if they had discovered something about themselves. No one knew Elias had once been one of America's most respected sculptors. His art had sold for thousands. Museums had begged for his work, but after losing his wife and son in a tragic accident, he stopped sculpting completely. "Art stopped talking to me," he once told a stranger. So he chose the park, a place where nothing demanded anything from him. One cold October afternoon, a frustrated young man named Chris sat beside him. His life felt like it was collapsing. Student loans, a failing business, a broken heart. He came to the park for quiet but found himself watching Elias carve. "What are you making?" he asked. "I don't know yet," Elias replied without looking up. "How do you carve something without knowing?" Elias smiled gently. "I let the wood speak first. Most people don't listen long enough to know what something or someone really is." Chris sighed. "Life doesn't work like that. Life is just chaos." Elias paused and looked at him with tired but clear eyes. "Chaos," he said softly, "is just meaning we haven't carved yet." The words hit Chris deeply. Elias handed him a small